Galaxy S23 Ultra appears to be an improvement over its predecessor in several key respects, most notably with a main 200 megapixel camera and a new CPU, for improved performance and energy efficiency. Well, hello guys, welcome to House of Tech. Hit that like and subscribe button to get new updates about gadgets and tech every day. The design will most likely be very similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, with squared off corners, a curved display, and individually embedded cameras on the rear. That is not to suggest that no minor changes are coming. The S23 Ultra is said to be slightly longer, wider, and heavier than the S22 Ultra. According to Ice Universe, the S23 Ultra will have a new display. Although it would be difficult to outperform the 6.8-inch QHD AMOLED panel's super brightness and variable LTPO 120Hz refresh rate, perhaps Samsung has a display that is even brighter or more efficient. The telephoto cameras, which will have identical 10 megapixel sensors and 3x and 10x optical zoom, are the only thing that isn't expected to change. On top of that, we anticipate seeing a 40MP punch-hole selfie camera. In the US, Qualcomm chips are typically used to power Samsung's Galaxy S smartphones, whereas Exynos chips are used in other countries. That would imply that the Galaxy S23 Ultra's processors will be the Exynos 2300 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Having said that, alleged benchmarks for the Samsung Galaxy S23 have emerged, displaying some excellent performance thus far. Although we don't know which model the benchmarks could be referring to, it appears to be the S23 standard model. The Galaxy S23 is shown to perform well thanks to a Snapdragon chipset, most likely the rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It achieved Geekbench single-core scores of 1,524 and multi-core scores of 4,597. Samsung is reportedly using the same 5000 mAh battery to power the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as we saw in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, although we may anticipate somewhat improved performance, thanks to optimization. According to reports, the S23 Ultra's charging speed won't change, so its maximum speed will remain at 45 watts, much like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The S22 Ultra was charged up to 67% by Samsung's own 45 watts charger in 30 minutes, which is decent but not exceptional, when compared to the 65 watts and higher charging standards used by competitors like OnePlus. We should have at least 4 color options available to us on all 3 versions in the S23 lineup. Those colors will reportedly be beige, black, green, and light pink. Samsung must squeeze every last drop of performance and efficiency out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, while also making sure that the Ultra Premium is justified, if it is serious about competing with the iPhone 14 Pro and other flagship smartphones. Are these upgrades enough to rival the latest flagships? Let us know down in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching, we'll see you tomorrow.